guys, in this video we will factor sums and differences of cubes. Here I have two different formulas. One when you have two perfect cubes but you're adding them, and the other one, same idea, two perfect cubes but you're subtracting them. Let's figure this out. So I know I can just easily take the cube root of x cubed and get x. Now plus, and that's I'm following the first formula right there. So you go from a cubed to a. So by taking the cube root. And I also know 512 is a perfect cube. So you go math, and it's right there, cube root of 512. So that is 8. So now you square the first one. So x squared minus a times b. You multiply them. And then you square that one. So 64. And that's all we're doing. And always try to look for the GCF, but in this case you don't have a GCF between this and this. That's why you just apply that. Example 2, on the other hand, you do have the GCF to start out. So GCF goes right there. It doesn't disappear. It goes in the front. So 4x. Now 4x to the fourth power divided by 4x. 4 divided by 4 is 1. X to the fourth power divided by x, you get x cubed plus 4x divided by 4x. That's not 0. That doesn't disappear. That doesn't cross out. That's 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. X divided by x is 1. Okay? Okay, so now I have to keep factoring because a lot of us forget that 1 is a perfect square. So when you cube root 1, you get 1. Awesome. So 4x. Cube root x, you get cube root x cubed, you get x, plus cube root 1, you get 1. I'm following, again, the first formula right there. So now I'm going to square x to get x squared, minus multiply 1 times x is x, plus 1 squared is 1. Okay, done right there. And here you cannot keep on factoring. All right. Now, GCF right here. Can I divide 108 by 4? Let's see. Ta-da! Yes, I can. So the GCF for number 3 will be 4W. So we're going to divide both terms by 4W. Like you know, GCF doesn't disappear. It goes right there in the front. So 4W. 4W to the fourth power divided by 4W is 1W cubed minus 108 divided by 4. I have 27. Now, I know 27 is a perfect cube. If you don't, you should kind of have, a couple of them memorized so you can pick out the perfect cubes. So cube root of 27, or write yourself a little list. That's good to have. So cube root of 27 is 3. So 4 cubed. Take the cube root of w cubed is w minus cube root of 27 is 3. Now we're following the second formula right there with the minus. Okay? It starts with the minus right there and all the others are positive. So you square the first, you multiply them, so 3w, and then you square the last, so 9. Okay? Okay, 27 is a perfect cube. 8 is a perfect cube. Cube root them. So when you cube root 27, you get 3. You cube root u cubed, you get u. Cube root of 8 is 2. If you're not sure, put it in the calculator. Now, we're going to square the first one, not just 3, but 3u. So 9u squared. Multiply them. So 6u. And then square the 2, you get 4. Easy right there. But this is a very popular one, so it's going to come back multiple times. Last one. 512 perfect cube. 125 perfect cube 2. How do you know? Well, you can either make a list or put that in the calculator. Okay? Because when I look at these two, I don't have a GCF. And y is different than z, so there's that. So, and then cube root of 125, you get 5. Okay, so right there. Cube root. So 8y minus 5z. All right, following the second formula right there on top. So square it, 64y squared, plus multiply them, 40yz, plus square the last one, 25z squared. Okay, all this is just applying the formula from the top.